so today I'm back with Ryan.
Bonjour.
By popular demand, he's back on the channel and we are doing a My Boyfriend Does My Lush haul. So I sent him into Lush on his own. How did you find it?
I think I've done pretty well.
Yeah?
I think I've done really well.
I haven't even peeped. This has been in my room for a week and I've had it folded over so that I have no idea what's in there. So do you want to tell them how much you spent? And how many things you got?
I think it was about 37 quid and I can't remember how many bits I got. It's either 5 or 6. I can't remember.
Cool.
But a couple of them are like what I thought smelled good, and then a couple of them are more like, I don't know, related to stuff.
Okay, no, that's cool.
That makes sense.
Yeah, that's fine.
So yeah.
Cool. I just thought it'd be interesting to get Ryan to go through the stuff. And basically I just thought it'd be interesting for him to give his reasonings as to why he bought it rather than me just open it in a separate video on my own. So that's why he's here. Without further ado, you ready?
I think so.
Let's
do
go.
it. Obviously they got labels on, so do I give them to you and then you read it, or shall I open it and then you can pick it out?
Do you want to?
And pick it out.
It's up to you. You can just pull one out and then just go for it. Just let me, you can start opening it. Yeah, tell me why you bought it.
Alright, I'm going to face the thing away. So this one is my personal favourite.
Okay, so I'm going to guess it's a
LUSH.
bath bomb?
Yes, it is. I think so.
Okay.
But this is my personal favourite because it smells good. Okay. Some of them are a bit too rich for me.
A bit too rich.
Yeah. But this one, I like this one. Shall I just tear the sticker?
Yeah, tear it. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what you think smells nice. Because it could be totally different to what I think smells nice.
I'm not going to let you see it. But
Should I guess?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see how good she really is.
Go for it. I'm not going to look. Oh, this is so hard. I'll shut my eyes.
Yeah.
I can smell that already. It's aloe bath, isn't it?
No.
What? Let me smell it again. Shut up. It's the same smell. Get it out a bit. Get the actual bath bomb out. Like, let me actually.
Can I show the camera what it is?
Yeah.
I'm getting it out.
Get it out and let me smell it. I'm trying not to look.
Do a smell.
Okay, I'm not being funny. Whatever that is the same scent as aloe bath because it's lemongrass, isn't it? Where is it? Can I touch it so I can get a...
Yeah.
They've changed the shape.
Yeah, they have.
So it's just one... Is it one colour?
Yeah, it's got little speckledy bits on it.
What? I'm gonna have to look. Wait, no. Wait, it's dragon's egg.
Yes.
Yeah. I forgot that was a thing for a second. I was like...
It looks cool.
No, that's so good. I love a dragon's egg. Oh, that's nice though, isn't it?
By the way, that was like the best intact one. Because all of them will look like they've been like juggled with.
That's alright. They've recently changed the shape, so it's got like
that little like green thing, isn't it?
It's confetti. So you probably don't know what's in this, do you?
No, I don't.
So there's confetti, there's popping candy in it, and there's a gold shimmer in the middle.
Oh, that's fun.
It's cool, isn't it? But yeah, they've changed the shapes of the bath bombs now, so they've got like a weird like hexagony situation. Next one.
On to the next. Now this is not a bath bomb.
Okay. Is it something I have to guess by the smell?
Oh yeah, go on.
Yeah. Okay, go for it. This is quite fun.
Okay. All right.
It's not how this video
this is what it is.
Is it like something I can hold? Can I hold it?
No. Wait, I'm still opening it.
Oh, I know what that is. That's Lime Brownie Moisturizer.
Yeah. So good. Looks like it's got cheese on it. It's got cheese.
It's not cheese.
No, it's cheese.
It's definitely not cheese. Let me look at the
No.
ingredients. Hang on. Shea butter, cocoa butter. What is on top? It's got to be coconut.
It's got to be cheese.
It's not cheese.
It's margarita.
No, it's not.
It smells good though. I thought it would smell good, and if I'm going to use it, then I want one that smells good.
No, that does smell good. That smells really good. I generally think we should do a video where you just grab loads of Lush stuff out of my collection and I've got to guess what it is. I think that would be a good video.
That'd be good.
If you want to see that, let me know.
Guess the product.
We'll make it happen.
Guess the bomb. Right, there's one of these I don't want to get out on your bed.
Okay, so why don't we do that last and you can do it over the bag.
I can't remember which one it is. I got this one. Alright, you're not allowed to see.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got this one because I thought that you would relate to it.
Okay.
Because of the name of it. I would show you, but the label's crinkled, so it wouldn't make any sense.
So weird sitting here with my eyes
It
closed.
smells good. Makes me want to eat it.
Oh wait, hang on. That's something that I enjoy. What is that? This is hard. Can I hold it?
Yeah. Your hand. It's not your front.
What is that? What the hell is that? Wait.
What do you really want?
Oh, I know what it is.
Yeah.
I know what it is. It's called like puppy love or something.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I was holding it.
Where's
I
the face?
thought it was this way and I was like, what the hell is that?
No.
So cute. Do you know what's weird?
No.
When I thought I hated this one. Like, I thought, no, I really like it, but when I saw it, I forgot that that's what it smelled like. I thought it smelled different to that.
Yeah.
So when I didn't buy it, but that smells
The
really
only
good.
reason why I bought it is just because it looked like a dog. And it smells alright. I mean, it's not...
It smells alright.
It's like... It's kind of like lemony and like Parma violet-y. I don't know why... This is why I don't buy Lush, because it annoys me because I can't eat it. Everything looks so good and looks like it... And smells like it should be edible.
When I used to work there, we did find soap with bite marks in it.
Shut up.
Yeah. When you look at it and you're
That's
like,
so funny.
gross.
This one is a bubble bar.
Okay.
The label's half cut off.
Okay.
I'm gonna make you guess it again. Okay, this is the one that I don't really want to get out.
It's fine.
But we're just gonna do it.
Just go with it.
We're just gonna
go
do
with
it.
Right, I'm gonna shut my eyes. I'm trying to think what bubble bar you don't want to get out. Am I allowed to hold it again?
Oh Christ.
Oh God. Where is it?
It's coming to you. There it is.
Is it on my mouth?
No.
There's something on my fingers.
Yeah.
What is it? That smells so good though.
Do a lookie.
Ah! Yeah. It smells like Parma violet.
Is
That's
it
what I
violet
can smell.
cream?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah. And do you know
'Cause
why?
It says violet cray. Because the label's cut off.
Do you know why? Why? Because it's got cocoa butter in the middle. So you cut it and it's got a moisturizer-y
Yeah.
feel.
But it looked cool.
That's nice.
I feel like it's in me.
Look at you. You have it everywhere.
I feel like it's
Oh,
like...
it's gonna go.
Oh my...
It's gonna go on the bed sheets. No, not on my trousers.
Oh, this one's cool.
Okay.
And I know you'd like this one.
Okay.
Or
I'm
do I
shutting
give
my
you-
eyes again.
No, I'll give you the other one first.
Okay. I'm
Right.
shutting my eyes.
So-
Well, I'm not. I'm looking at it.
Okay, so this is what it is, guys. It's like round the bend, so hopefully you can read it. Oh, it smells so fucking good.
Let me smell it.
Oh, who put a finger mark in it? I bet it was that bloke at the till. I'll come back.
Why can't I smell anything? Oh, it's that lemon one, isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh, yeah. Mm.
So good. Look. The thumb bit.
Oh,
I know.
look at that.
I know.
Really good, but that's all right. We'll use that bit first. Oh, that's nice though, isn't
Yeah.
it? Really smell. Why did you do that? You're right.
Because it smells good.
That does smell really good.
It smells so good.
Actually, I've never had this one
I think
before.
that's one of my
I'm
favourites,
really
I
excited
think.
to try it.
This is not a bath one.
Ooh, bubble bar.
Yes.
Mm.
This one smells really good.
Does it?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
It smells great.
Where
This
is it?
also has some form of glitter on it as well,
Oh,
so
great.
just
Where are we?
it's in front of your face.
It smells like lemony. Like it's got like a. It's a similar scent to like the dragon's egg. What smells like the dragon's egg? Can I hold it? Is it really glittery?
No.
Just place it like we did the last one. Oh, I know what that is. That's the mermaid one, isn't it? Yeah. I could tell from the
Yeah.
feel of the waxy wax. Cocoa butter.
Yeah.
That smells nice. That smells really good. I've not had
So
that
that's
one
that
before
one.
either. That's really good.
So yeah, I was really tempted. It was either torn between that or there was this one that was like white and glittery and it looked like a massive horn.
Yum.
I done it pretty quick as well because like no offence to anyone that works in Lush, but I just couldn't be bothered to have the hassle of like, can I help you? Because I don't like saying no.
You've got glitter. Yeah.
So I kind of just.
You would have been
like,
in there for a long time.
Yeah, I would just in and out as fast as I
No, you
could.
were good. You were probably like, what, 20 minutes? Not even that. 10
Not even
minutes? I love that. That was really fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd done pretty well there.
I think you did a really good job.
I'm gonna keep this lime bounty up and I'm just gonna sit here and smell it for a bit.
Do you like the smell?
Yeah,
You're a
it
really
smells
big
so
fan.
good. Yeah.
Another thing.
Oh, it smells good.
It does smell really good.
Like it makes me want to eat it. Makes me want to just try a bit. It's not bad.
Is it not? Let's try.
It's like really sweet, and then it gets like creamy.
No. No. Mm-mm. It's the... No. It doesn't taste
It
great,
tastes
but
exactly. It tastes exactly like how it should smell. How it smells. Sorry.
Yeah, but then I'm like, I'm eating body lotion, and that's what...
Yeah.
So that is everything. We hope you enjoyed this video. Something a bit different.
Yeah.
But we hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below if you'd like to see us do this again. Maybe give us a few months though, so I need to stop spending money. So like in a few months time we could do this again, maybe. But in the meantime, we do need to film a video doing your makeup. So
yeah,
let us know down below if that's something you want to see.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you very soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I can't reach.
Let me do it.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.